happy to be sitting here with my officers from the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock to listen to the coffee farmers that are sitting here, to the leaders of the various cooperative societies that are with us here, to give us our share ideas on how we can do it better. And I want to say that we are not in a hurry. We want to listen to you, and in the spirit of our Constitution, and that whatever we think or whatever we want to do on behalf of the people, we must always consult and have the participation of the people. So this coffee conference here in Meru today gives us an opportunity to extensively engage the coffee farmers and the coffee stakeholders in coming up with homegrown solutions of the challenges and the problems that face the coffee sector. If it is about the legislation, if there is any area that is weak, we have the members of parliament that will do what is required of them to pass the right legislative proposals that will come out of a recommendation of this forum, so that we are able to have the necessary force of law to implement the growth of the coffee sector. It is not in doubt that agriculture is an evolved function. I'm happy that my partners that we work so closely with, who are the governors, are all represented here. And I'm happy that the governors are here. We work quite closely. We want even to engage more so that we are able now, out of the solutions that are made from this conference here in Meru, we will be able to pick out what is required of each part of government, whether it's the national or the county government, to be able to bring back our farmers to the farms, what we can be able to do to ensure there is high yield, there is quality,